Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. All right, we're gonna put it on here, but this is gonna create a bit of dust, so we're gonna turn a fan on. Let's see what we can do. All right, that's pretty good. We'll go back over and we're going to do a little sanding board. What are we working with? 280 paper. Go a little bit this way. Looks like it's going to clean up just fine. Nice. So now we got to get these edges, because they've got some riffling going on. Yeah, it looks like it's going to clean up just fine. I want to come in close and see. Yeah, that's just gonna clean up really good. Here's what it looked like beforehand. Okay, so we've gone in with 280, and now we're going to come back in with 360. All right, 360. Now, ouch, picked up a little splinter there. Now we went this way with the 280. Now we need to find out where we're at and what once we go down. So what I'm going to do is go crossways with the 360, and I need something under this. Okay. 360 coming up at an angle. See, now all the little scratches show themselves way before we get into the buffing room. We got one right there. All right, well, I'm seeing a pretty heavy scratch. I mean, not heavy, but more than the 360 can handle. So I'm going to just take a piece of 280 and come back here and just hang on to it and see if we can get those scratches out. Okay, now we're going to go over to 360 and we're going to go lengthways. And this should go pretty quickly. All right, I think we got most of it out. Oh, look at that. We got a little bit of scratching going on there. Okay, we're in the buffing room where we're using bobbing compound, which is a little coarser, and this should go fairly quickly. Well, what do you think? Now it's still got some bobbing compound on there, so we have to get that off. But, you know, it's just wax, so it comes right off. I think that's going to be okay. What do you think? Okay, let's go back in the room and we're going to polish these up and send them. Okay, the last finishing touches is semi-chrome polish, which is a very fine rouge that will allow us to just put a nice finish on it, get rid of any oils or anything that's on the surface. And I'm using a jeweler's cloth to do that. You can see how much stuff it's picking up. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. Get rid of my fingerprints. And this is the original, and these are the two that I just made. So we're going to put them in a bag. There we go. Rotate the bag so that they can't bang up against each other. Let's put some tape on that bag. We are set to go. Okay, call my customer, and what else can you do? Well, that was a fun little brass project. He paid dearly for them, and I had to make it twice as usual. So, hey, this is Nick Collier checking out.